Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word showering. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I heard someone already showering in the bathroom before I had the chance to get in. Showering in this sentence refers to the act of taking a bath or washing oneself under a spray of water, usually in a shower stall or bathtub. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.